Hello. Sorry I didn't turn this assignment in this last Friday, but I will give it to you now. Send it to you. Of course, it's called Doing Business in India. So let's begin. First of all, some basic information about India. They have a population of 1.3 billion. They are talking, the language is Hindi, but also a big part of the country is talking English. The capital of the country is New Delhi. I don't know how to pronounce it, but you probably know. And first of all, this kind of modernism meets traditional. So this new modern India is like meeting this traditional India, where the traditional India, they have like a lot of colorful clothes. They have like this dot in their forehead, and this new kind of modernism, this new modern India is much more like about companies and try to be like the Western world. Um, and actually, as we know, new subject. As we know from USA, they have Hollywood making these big movies, world famous movies going around the world, very global movies. But India actually have this movie company called Bollywood, and it's actually bigger than Hollywood, and they are making much more movies than they do in Hollywood. Um, and now a bit about the behavior on the, when you're going to a business meeting, when you're meeting a completely stranger on the road, or just, how to behave in India. Because if this way that we are talking and the things we do here in the Western world, they don't do that, and sometimes they would actually be, not afraid, but or scared. It's just because we're like much more louder, saying what we're thinking, yelling. I don't know. If it's because of the Vikings, but that's the way we behave, and they don't do that. They have respect for each other, and instead of giving hands when they're meeting, they are bless you with their mind and their, I don't remember if it was their, soul and mind, instead of just, give hand as we do here in Denmark. And we're doing business in India. You have to notice the negotiator's answer, because a yes in India don't mean a yes. Sometimes they're just saying yes because it's rude for the Indian people to say no. So you have to be very carefully and listen what they answer. And especially if you have a company and you want to be like global and go to India, it's very important that you get a local business partner, because a lot of companies from other countries, it's very difficult for them to go directly into the India market, and actually, like the Indian government would not allow you to have like this big, the whole market of the thing you have, that your company sells. So you also have to pay the Indian government. Um, and that was how to act. And do not expect from the Indian people, um, do not expect that the Indians to be like here in the Western world. You don't have to. Do not expect that, because, like I told before, how they behaving, how they behave, and so on. And do not expect every deal is a piece of cake, because if you said to a man, make me 5 phones for tomorrow, and if you said yes, it does mean yes. He might use a week, or 10 days or more or less. So, like the next point, don't say yes for a yes. You have to be sure, and yeah. And here in the Western world, if there's a meeting, or if we're going to a birthday, something else, and you have to be there at 6 o'clock, we are there at least 6 o'clock, maybe 10 minutes before sometimes. But in India, some of them they can be up to an hour late, or more or less, sometimes 2 hours maybe. So do not expect them to be there at the same time as we do here in Denmark. And then here, the final thing here in my presentation is just a bit about their religion, because it's a very big country, and they actually have a lot of religions. I might not tell you all the things, because you can see the same as me on the screen. But Hinduism, 78.35% of the Indian people are Hinduism. So a lot of them are Hinduism, and then Islam, 14.88%, and so and so on. You can see it on your screen. 0.7 hours, 0.4 Jainism, and a bit Buddhism, and I can't pronounce all of them. Not so many Christian, 2.5%, but yes, that was my presentation. So thank you.